Hey guys, and welcome back to the fam. It has been too long, hasn't it, Karsten?
Yep.
But we are back and we're gonna start creating videos for you again. And the first video, hey, you remember that video we created? Shoot, it's probably like 2018. Vote Karstonian for president.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, you didn't have any front teeth. You remember that?
Yeah.
Check out the video if you haven't. Otherwise, you're gonna make a new poster because you are actually running for president now.
School president?
Oh yeah, big time. All right, but you're gonna be doing the tutorial this time. I am hands off. It's all yours.
Thank you. Roll it.
There you go. All right, been out of practice. Hey, fun fact. Did you know we had a president in the 90s that liked jazz music, saxophones, and interns?
What?
You're probably still too young. Hey, nice job on the video.
Thank you.
Good job. I'm so glad you grew your teeth and they look much better. Yeah. So you think this video is better than the last one?
Heck yeah.
For sure. Any parting words for the people?
Vote Karsten for president.
Vote Karsten for president. I like it. It's got a nice ring to it.
Yeah, it does.
All right. See you next time.
Bye.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button down below and smash that subscribe button to be part of our design fam. See you next time. Bye!